Hi guys, this is Juan, and today we're going to talk about family sponsorship for getting a Canadian permanent resident visa. I'm not here to convince you guys to immigrate to Canada. Ultimately, that's a big choice that you guys are going to have to make for yourselves. That said, if you do have any questions at the end of the video, please share them with me down below. I'll be happy to answer them. I'm not a professional, and if you would like professional advice, I'd be happy to connect you with a certified immigration consultant, one that offers a 30-minute free consultation service that can get to those trickier questions that I can't quite answer. And with that, let's get to the video. This program allows Canadian citizens and permanent residents of at least 18 years of age to sponsor family members who would like to immigrate to Canada. I actually made a video on the 5 main types of ways to immigrate to Canada. You can see the link for it right here. So family sponsorship is included in that. However, today we're going to go a little bit deeper into what family sponsorship is actually all about. The family members that are actually eligible to be sponsored are spouses and common law partners, parents or grandparents, dependent children. A child is dependent if they're under the age of 22. There are exceptions if they are over 22, if they are unable to take care of themselves physically or mentally, or if you can prove that they've been dependent on their parents since before the age of 22. There are some exceptions in that area. Children under the age of 18 who you plan to adopt. This is orphan brothers, sisters, nieces, and nephews who are under 18 and unmarried. And lastly, a relative of any age if you do not have any of the other family members that we just listed. Maybe I'll put a list right here. It should be obvious, but you cannot sponsor somebody who is inadmissible to Canada. And that could be for any number of reasons, but we won't get into that. So the rules for family sponsorship are simplest for spouses or common law partners, dependent children, and honestly, it can start to get a little complicated when it gets past that. For example, typically to sponsor an aunt or cousin or an even further relative, there must be no other close living relative that you could sponsor instead, such as a child, a spouse, a parent, or a grandparent. And these could all be related by blood or adoption. If you, the sponsor, live in Quebec, you must meet Quebec's immigration sponsorship requirements after you have already been approved as a sponsor for Canada. I'll leave a link having the requirements for those down below. I'll also add a link at the bottom with all the info for the family sponsorship. It's on the Canadian website. They actually have some nice examples to help you better understand the system. And that's it, guys. Just a quick video today to help you learn a little bit more about family sponsorship. If you have questions, feel free to ask them down below. Please remember, I'm not a professional. However, if you would like to be connected with one, I'd be happy to do that. They offer a free 30-minute consultation for any of those more complicated questions that I can't quite answer. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you guys have any other topics you'd like to see videos about, definitely mention that down below. We also run a channel just like this one, except in Cantonese, so if you'd like to see that, click over here. And with that, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day and a great life. Thanks.